Hello, my friends. We have one machine assembled with laser cutting device in our factory, and I'd like to introduce you more about the laser cutting device. Laser cutting device is optional device, which can be assembled on the machine head. This is the laser cutting device, and normally we will need a chiller together, and the using is easy. And then I will show you how to use the laser cutting device. Firstly, the operation is almost the same. We select a design we want to embroider first, and confirm embroidery condition, and then we select color. Select color you want for this design, and you can see this design is a bit special because the edge has one single stitches embroidery. It's laser cutting. After we select the color we want, we have to move the last color to first needle. Because we assemble the laser cutting device on first needle. After we select color, we come to the laser cutting setting. There are several options here. This is laser cutting device, so we set cutting here, and also you can set laser power and laser speed according to the material you use. 设计一下。If you are not sure how many power you need to set, you can do a testing first. After this, 选框 we select the frame we use on the machine, and then adjust the frame position to make the design embroider on the position you want. After this setting, we press start button to make the machine start working. Then the first part, normal embroidery, will begin. After the machine finish normal embroidery, it will convert to laser cutting automatically. And after cutting, it will stop automatically. Another simple design will show cutting again. First step, normal embroidery. After normal embroidery, laser cutting begin.